To change the color of a Word document, locate any Word document you're interested in changing its page color. So at the top, you're going to see designs, locate it and tap on it. And then at the right hand corner, you're going to see page color, tap on it. So here you see different colors come up for you. So you select the color of your choice, the color you're interested in using for this very document. So let's say I want to go with this. I'll simply tap on it and I've brought it into this very document. So by doing this, I've successfully changed the color of the pages on my Word document. If you got value in this video, do also like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support and I will see you in my next video. Later.